Hi guys, in this video I'm getting my suntan on top of the fifth wheel. This is renovation number 3 video. Hi, I'm Tim. This is Finley.
I'm Courtney, and we're a family of 3 traveling full-time in our RV. So over Memorial Day weekend, we went to a couple of different locations to look at flooring, and we ended up finding what we wanted, the color we wanted, at a really good price point. So we went ahead and got all of our flooring. So that's exciting.
They're vinyl planks, and
yes.
We got the like 2 or 3 mil thick, so it's super thin, really lightweight. Court's also diligently been working on all of the cabinet door accessories, getting them installed, and also getting the doors put back on the cabinets themselves inside the RV.
So we went to go take the carpet off of those steps, and the entire step just came completely out. It wasn't made of anything super sturdy, so we're looking for ideas on what to replace that step with, different storage ideas. We want to make it super unique, something that's just us, special. So we have a couple of ideas, so we'll see if we can execute them and put them in there. So with that, we also just took all of our materials that we had ripped out previously, like carpet and just other structures that were in the fifth wheel that we're getting rid of, and loaded them up in the truck, took them to the dump. So we're completely done with dump runs. Everything's gone, so that's refreshing.
His idea is to go on a cruise ship, a cruise boat. It's a Disney cruise.
Yes, it's here. Awesome parts came in today. Awesome. See this fabric? These are shower curtains. I'm gonna figure out how to make them into all of the window shades. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I've been taught once how to sew. I've used this thing once. It's time. Start sewing. Wish me luck. Wish me tons of luck. I just don't see it logical or even possible that I'm gonna get all of this sewn in this video. Not gonna happen. We'll try a little bit later. Let's look at some of the other stuff that we've worked on. Today, Dad came out to help us. It's a pretty big job.
Yeah, it's crazy.
So what he's doing right now is running the 50 amp cord from the plug that's on the outside of the RV up into the box.
Putting it into that breaker. These wires right here into that breaker. It should work. We'll find out. If we turn it on and it burns, I guess we didn't do it right.
That's for sure. So we finished the 30 amp to 50 amp conversion. We've taken the input that was in the rear of the RV and we've moved it over to the side of the RV. That way it's closer to the power pods or units when you're actually at a campsite. We've also gotten a 25-foot extension cord, so then we can plug in kind of wherever we need to go.
If it's on the opposite side of where it is right now, the hookups.
Yeah. We've also finished our battery bay. We have 4 6-volt batteries. We have a 3,000 watt inverter that is hooked straight into our power box, so we don't have to run any cables or anything like that. We've also added the 75 watt Progressive Industries converter to charge the batteries. It's a 3-stage charger. Also added 2 solar panels, 100 watts each, and a 30 amp charge controller into the RV. Everything's set up and ready to roll. If you guys want to see how we wired all of our electric and our complete setup, let us know. There's a lot of YouTube videos about everybody's installation, so I think it's kind of just kicking a dead horse, and I don't want to do that at all. But if you guys want to, let us know and we will do it.
Yeah, so comment below, let us know. We'd be happy to make one for you.
Oh no, I broke it. Darn. The top of the vent I just touched it. Oh my gosh, I just got this on video. Guys, I just touched the roof of this thing and it completely broke. I guess that means we need a new one. Look at this. Look at this. Jeez. That's when you know you need to upgrade. It's when stuff breaks really quick. So anyway, yesterday I cleaned off the entire roof, took a little scrubby brush with some Dawn dish soap, cleaned it all up. And what I found is that none of the seals, I don't know if you can see it right here, none of these seals are sealed very well. So I'm gonna go through another layer of Dicor and make sure 100% that everything is 100% waterproof. I only have one can of this, so I'm gonna have to order some more. Since our last video, we also got the opportunity to help Ryan and Kendall
And their family.
They bought an RV pull behind and they're starting to transform their YouTube channel into more a full-time RV as well. They're gonna be looking more at boondocking and full-time off-grid. So check those guys out. We've added them below. We're nearing the end of our paint, and let me tell you guys, there's so much paint in this RV. I didn't realize how much it actually took to paint these things.
But it looks really good. It's all coming together.
See you later, guys.